But then if you look at timber platform, how much you gonna last, right? Probably go for concrete platform. I don't know your update with DBKL, because you need to submit first to them, right? I don't know.
We still try hard to contact them on the question.
Excuse me. For the platform, I think we might need to go into some easy to dismantle one. So if going to be a concrete platform, I think that one DBKL won't accept it, because this mainly is as for temporary structure only. So they want to have a less impact, minimal impact to the site. So I think if possible, we just go for some concrete stump for the structure supporting. But then the platform, I think we can continue to go for the wood pallet. So that one will be more easier in dismantle and assemble wise.
So your anticipated how long will the project will be put there? I mean, put at the task.
We anticipating 2 to 3 years for temporary submission. So I don't think, because I don't think the management and DBKL will allow us to put as a permanent structure, because that one will require other kind of submission, and then it's actually affecting their not township design, their land, the part design. So I think they might be okay with a temporary, but not a permanent. Yeah. We still try to contact with them, because now the MCO is still extended again. So they are also quite short of staff in the office to pick out all those forms.
All right.
Okay.
So next one with the aerofoils, right? Previously you proposed for aerofoil louvers. Instead of using aerofoil, let's just go for Z profile louvers.
Yeah. We are using the Z profile aluminum louvers. For this pyramid part, because we have combination of ACP and transparent acrylic panel. Because I got concerned on the connection point, connection part of these two panel. Do you have any concern?
I don't think that's a big issue, but yeah, there will be, for the whole panel to be, let's say 150 SHS, and then for the smaller parts, for the smaller joints there, let's probably will be using smaller sizes of SHS, 100 or 50. I don't know which market.
I think
but that's smaller than your mainframe.
The secondary structure, right?
Yeah. So the triangle, you have white line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is considered the panels. So the black one, the smaller triangles, will be subframe for that.
I understand.
For the fixing, I think it's just mechanical fixing, screwed down, because you don't need any waterproofing for this, right? Because you have louvers everywhere.
Let's say if we need to have waterproof, so we need to seal out every joint.
Yeah, you need to seal out with silicone.
The lowest placing here, I already try to avoid the water directly flow into the pavilion inside. Do you think, are we able to achieve the water type for this
Which
uh,
one?
for this art installation? Will we able to achieve a water type?
Water type only at the top right as a roof, because you see from your top view, all is like ACP panels. But to the side, you have louvers. I don't think we can 100% get water type.
Let's say we use this as the one part. So above divide into up and down. The upper part we need to seal it properly to achieve the water type.
Sorry, don't understand your question.
Say what the rainwater, there will this panel, right? So the bottom part the water flow will be drip down like that, right? So for this pyramid joint, we need to have can we have a water type joining?
But then you have louvers, right? On your which one? Rear elevation, you have two louvers at the upper part.
Okay, for the upper part, because this thing we're not facing upwards. We will, you see this 3D is an incline inside.
Wait, trying to open your SketchUp. Let me share your screen. Okay, pause this. Can host disable participant screen sharing? Can you enable it?
Can share now?
Yeah, can. So this part, right? Won't be that totally watertight because you have Z and Z louver, which is single bank only, not triple bank, because won't be 100% watertight.
Just the louvers will be act as a rainwater splash in now, but on the roof part, the drop that will flow down to the ground, will it flow inside to this
I mean this part. Yeah, we can try on that. But then all this gap, nothing, right? Is it waterproof? Yeah.
We need to seal it off.
This part.
You see the gap. Can right? Seal it one.
Yeah. Yeah. Try to detail out first so we can see, because this is what I get from you, right? So as we were discussing, these kids doesn't need, these guys doesn't need watertight for this one, because last from your last slide is like ventilation out only, right? In goes in from here, comes out from the roof. I don't know. That's what we anticipate before as we got the model. So this one need to seal up, right?
Yeah. We'll need to see.
Okay. This one okay because you have 150 frame here, so you have small subframe, and then you just screw down. All this can be handled by you just how you cut the subframing, and then you get the shape of projection. Because this projection is not that big, right? I mean, from the how much is this?
The dimension will be 2 meter.
Projection from this line. Yeah, shouldn't be an issue.
So the framing here will have some sort like the drain channel to drain out the water.
Not into that detail, I think. Just
Into
simple
that.
screw down and then you just, yeah. Yep, not into that detail. I think it's just more or less. I try to find out details without.
Oh yeah, one things for the lighting wise, right? So I think we this one we need to have a minimal impact or tapping into the site electricity, because that one is by the DBKL themselves, and then so most of the time they don't want to all these installation to have too much of tapping to the electricity lah. So for last time I got saw the email, right, the electric the lighting someone had design, right? So that one I think maybe we need to try to minimal it to that the solar panel, the energy that captured by the solar panel itself is able to sustain for the lighting for this installation, because not sure whether DBKL or the park management, TT Wangsa management will allow us to tap into their electricity lah. So this one is one of the concern also.
Okay. Yeah, could not find drones. It's okay. Next time I'll share it.
Guys, you want to share the detail?
Sorry?
Are you sharing the detail?
Yeah, I'm trying to find the details. Wait.
While you finding on that, I would like to share the project schedule. We work our engineering student work out. Guys, you pass back the host to me.
Select the host.
You go to the participant, and you find my name, click the more, and then make host.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thanks. So, Faris, this one yesterday I did share to you the overall timing and then the detail here. Do you have any add-ons or need any advice or comments? Or engineering student, do you have any question to ask Mr. Faris on the schedule?
I think we can see start from the construction that one lah. The pre-construction that one, no need to see for now.
The date we can't define now, just the duration maybe we can estimate.
Looks okay. For item 24 up to 35, is the installation on site, right? Not the panel itself, right?
What you mean? Sorry, not understand.
This is installation on site, right? Not the, because on our mindset is that all the panels will be fabricated on off-site, meaning fabricate at factory, and then one shot go there, install at site. I mean, install as Lego, like Lego, you know?
Yeah, right. So the pre-construction will be at here.
Yeah, prefabrication. Okay. Yeah. Still, that one, item 12, I think it's about 7 days prefabrication. All panels. Yeah. 7 days to just for prefab.
Oh, okay.
Considering all the materials come in.
Everything lah, those framing, the panel.
Yeah, like all the sets coming with good. No need adjustment. I mean, the supplier will get all the bending, all the machining and all perfect. Yeah, all components. That's the word.
So for the installation wise, let's say everything is fabricated, then how long will you need to install, assembly, everything? Three
Sorry?
days
Assembly.
to assembly everything on site. Let's say we got the item prefabricate ready and then bring on site, and then purely for the installation, the assembly activities. How long?
2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days. Engineering student, may I know where you indicate the assembly part, the installation? Oh,
Can you repeat back the question?
right, okay. Do you have any question to ask? Mr. Faris.
So far, no, actually just want the feedback. So if anything to alter, we'll edit it later.
So you understand, right? Just now we're talking about 7 days for the prepare.
Yeah, we need to step part.
Yeah, every
and
item.
Then, yeah, and then number 29, is it one more?
29 is the same. Let's say we got every component ready, prefabricate and delivered on site. Then they only need around 2 to 3 days to assemble all the components together.
Okay.
I see now you got the installation of steel frame 1 day, installation of 1 day. Yeah. So all this will be within 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days. All right.
And then for the workers wise, Mr. Price, how many workers you foresee will be needed?
Sorry, say again?
The workers, the manpower for the on-site part, how many manpower you foresee needed for this installation?
3 to 4 person, yeah.
Right. Okay, I think that's all from my side. Any others question? Open to floor.
Have some off-topic question. So, Mr. Faris, I would like to ask regarding for the supplier or the material supply. So currently, because what I heard that is the logistic and the transportation for overseas, that one is actually quite a delay because due to the lockdown. So is there any material that maybe will be say short off for this our installation? Or everything is actually locals have the materials already?
Sorry, can you can you talk closer to your mic, because
okay. As I know because excuse me. Okay, so because currently we have all this lockdown so for the logistic and the transportation wise, actually quite a delays in them to delivering all those materials So I would like to ask, is it our materials is actually all get from the locals, or actually there are some actually still maybe need to
all will be from locals, but then if you're considering it to do it even during lockdown, that will be hard because it will involve everyone, right? So yeah, you anticipate is buying next month, right? Sorry, is it your timeline?
Timeline,
Just July or something.
After this lockdown are lifted, we foreseeing after maybe July until September this kind of period. Yeah.
Nothing on hiccups for suppliers, because they're all we propose everyone's from local.
Yeah. Okay.
Should be okay, but then yeah, in every project, design should be critical first.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any question from the students?
I think that's all.
So anything else?
Yeah, from our side, yeah, we'll still talk with TBK on the requirement. Yeah, then we'll update you once
for the design. Yeah, you need to detail out a
And
little
then,
bit. Yeah.
Price, how detailed can consider as a detailed drawing? Like you see my drawing here. So because I'm not really sure on the connection detail. Just what I able to do is the panel location and then the materials, the positioning and the dimensioning is mostly.
Wait, yeah.
Oh, actually, like this, Mr. Faris, can you, maybe, share us the connection details from your side, and then we try to put it into our design. Because
Yeah,
can okay.
yeah.
Because it's still fabricated by your side, so we can study on the connection that one, and then we try to put it in, and then we see how.
All right. I can share you some.
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Then also the signboard detail. Yeah, we will provide on the signboard. So on the signboard, we will list out the sponsor and then the stakeholder company names.
Okay, all right.
So on the material wise for the signboard, any suggestion? Can we do on ACP, aluminium or timber is better? I'm not sure how we need to put the wordings on the ACP. You done that before?
Alvin, any thoughts on it? Alvin?
Yes. For the sideboard, if let's say you want to do it on ACP, first thing there will be a full complete ACP behind, and then in front of it, we just top up with another sheet of GI with the names and so on. Which means there is a so-called GI sheet or aluminum sheet with all the wording will cover on top of the ACP. And then that particular GI or aluminum sheets will have all the wording and naming of the supplier.
So it's like engraved to the GI line, the wording.
It will be laser cut to the GI or aluminum sheet. Just put it on top of the ACP.